Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily perform a full reboot of your iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video to the end. Like it. Let's get started. In order for us to completely turn off, do a complete reboot of your iPhone or iPad, we will need to press volume plus once, volume minus, and press the shutdown button. Let me show you. Press volume plus once, volume minus, and hold the off button until we see the apple. Now we're going to see the apple. Once it's there, we're going to hold it for about 2-3 seconds. And then we can release the button, and the phone will reboot. A hard reset. Reset your iPhone. Now we have to wait for it to light up. We're going to need to enter the passcode. This is the simple way we were able to do a full reset of your iPhone. This method works on absolutely any model of iPhone. If you helped and liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching who watched this video to the end. Goodbye.